In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hostinger domain to Vercel. By the end, your domain will point cleanly to your Vercel project, and you'll know exactly what each option means so nothing feels mysterious. First, open your Hostinger account in a tab and make sure you can see the domain you want to use. You don't need to change anything here yet, just keep this tab handy so you can refer back to it if Vercel asks for a quick verification step later. Now switch to Vercel and open the project you want to use. Start on the overview page so you're looking at the right project context. This page is simply your project's home base in Vercel, and from here you'll navigate to where domains are managed. Head into the domains section. This is where you attach custom domains and manage any subdomains tied to your project. It's also where you'll see verification status and any guidance Vercel provides if additional configuration is needed. Click Add Domain. A small modal will appear asking for the domain you want to connect. Type your Hostinger domain exactly as you want it to be used. For example, you can enter the root domain or a specific subdomain, depending on your plan for how visitors should reach your site. Next, choose which environment to connect. Production will route real traffic to your latest production deployment. This is what most websites use for their public domain. You can also point a domain or subdomain to preview or development if you're setting up a staging or testing address. Pick the environment that matches your goal for this domain. You'll see an option to redirect to another domain. Use this when you want one address to forward to another, like sending example.com to www.example.com or vice versa. It helps consolidate traffic and avoid duplicate content. Just be sure you're not creating a loop by redirecting two domains to each other. When everything looks good, click Save. Vercel will attempt to verify the domain and connect it to the environment you selected. If Vercel needs anything from your registrar, you'll see clear instructions on the screen. Keep your Hostinger tab open so you can follow those prompts if they appear. After saving, watch the status in Vercel. It may take a short while to become active as the connection finalizes. SSL certificates are handled automatically by Vercel, so once the domain is active, you should see a secure padlock. That's it. You've connected your Hostinger domain to Vercel, chosen the right environment, set up an optional redirect, and saved your changes. If you see a brief delay, that's normal. Give it a little time and then refresh to confirm everything is live.